Welcome to my first BlitzPlus tutorial for beginners. BlitzPlus can be downloaded at blitzbasic.com. It's not free, but it's very good for new programmers who've not done any programming before. You can get a demo on there as well. Okay, now first of all we're going to create a basic program whereby the computer will think of a number and you've got to guess it. So, first of all, we are going to make the computer decide what the number will be. So we'll create a variable called number. Now variables in Blitz are coloured white, so you can see the difference between what a command is and a variable. Now we're going to set the number to random, 1 and 100. So basically we're saying that it's going to be a random number between 1 and 100, and the computer will randomly pick that. Now what we are going to do is to create a loop whereby in this, each time you don't guess the number, it will say whether it's higher or lower than your guess. So we will type repeat, and then to finish off the repeat we'll type until guess equals number. Okay, now this is basically saying it's going to repeat these lines until guess equals number. Then it will go past that code. Blitz reads code from top to bottom, so it goes down in steps. Now inside here we're going to set the guess. This is going to equal input. This will be what the player will input into the program. By the way, what I'm doing here is using the tab key to go across to set out the code better so it looks a lot neater. Now we're going to say use an if command, so type if guess is bigger than number. So if the number that the computer's picked is 50 and you put in 52, then it will print too high. Okay, so this is how an if statement works. You need an if, then something could be bigger than something could be smaller, or something could equal something. Then you need what you want the computer to do. We're going to say that it prints on our console application, which it will bring up, and then the same we're going to say if guess is smaller than number, then print too low. Now that should work now. Now to run the program you press the red rocket, or you can use a shortcut F5, and it should come up like this. Now the computer will have thought of a number, so say we put in 50 too high, try 25 too low. So it's working now. It should work. Let's just quickly try this. Right, now then it ends the program when you've guessed it. Okay, now after you've guessed it, we're going to have the computer print well done, you've guessed it, and then a new command which will be delay. Now this will delay in a number of milliseconds, so we want it to delay, let's say 2 seconds, so delay 2000. We'll delay it for 2 seconds, each 2000 milliseconds, and then we're going to type in end. This ends the program instead of that window coming up saying the program has ended. Right, okay. Now we're going to have the computer say what the game is to start off with, so we'll just print I have thought of a number from 1 to 100. Guess the number. Okay. Now, one final thing we need to do is give the randomness a seed. Basically, it comes up with the random value from a seeded number, and that seed will always be the same, so it won't be completely random. So we can use a command called SeedRnd, SeedRnd, and then we're going to choose the seed random number to the milliseconds, so millisecs, then open close bracket. So then it will seed it to the milliseconds of the current desktop time. Now, just to show you, the commands in BlitzPlus are yellow, any variables are white, and any numbers or text will turn blue. Now, our program should run. Okay, so it's printed in 2 separate lines, what we said. So now we're going to guess the number. So you type in the number, let's try 50, press enter, and it says too high, okay. 25, enter, too low, okay. 40, too high, let's try 35, too high, 20, let's go to 30, too low, 35, too high, 82, well done, you've guessed it, and it should wait 2 seconds, and then end. That concludes this Blitz tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope that's turned out good for you. In the next tutorial we will build up on this program. Thank you for watching.